I sincerely thank you for your love and support on my last video. I'm truly grateful. So today's topic is national emergency. Interestingly, recently NCERT has introduced a more detailed discussion about a national emergency 1975 to 77. So on June 25th, 1975, Prime Minister Indira Gandhi advised the president, who was the president at that time, Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad, to declare an emergency under Article 352. And that emergency remained in force almost 21 months. So I think this is the right time to revisit the concept of a national emergency. One question: is India a federal country or unitary country? Tell me. The answer is both. India is a quasi-federal country. Interestingly, India's political system can transform from a federal character to a strong unitary character, especially during an emergency. How? You will understand in a while. Now, under Article 352 of the Constitution, President can declare a national emergency. Here, remember one point: even before the actual occurrence of a war, President can declare an emergency. What are the grounds here? War, external aggression, and armed rebellion. Here also one note point: originally the third ground was internal disturbance, but that was widely misused. So through 44th Constitutional Amendment Act 1978, armed rebellion was inserted. Now the question is, can president issue different proclamations? Yes, he can also issue different proclamations at the same time or at different times on the same grounds or different grounds. This was added by 38th Constitutional Amendment Act 1975. Now what is the condition? President can proclaim after receiving a written recommendation from the cabinet. Again, this was also added through 44th Constitutional Amendment Act. Why? Because in 1975, the then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi advised the President to declare an emergency without consulting her cabinet. So, to prevent that unilateral dictatorship, this was added. And when it comes to approval, within 1 month, it has to approve. This was also added by 44th Constitutional Amendment Act. Originally, it was 2 months, but this was reduced to 1 month.